So today guys, welcome back to my gaming channel. So today, in Grow a Garden Modded, I don't know why I'm recording this, but look at this chat, bro. Somebody keep trashing me and keep getting me in trouble, and he keeps saying he's gonna report me, but I don't know why I have to record this video, but you have to learn some English, buddy. Toxic play. Yeah, we started the whole part of this. I didn't have to record this video, but I'm just playing Grow a Garden Modded. I'm admitting it. Grow a Garden Modded is kinda good too. He keep flexing his fruits, but I don't know, bro. But he keep flexing his bomb blossom. But I have real bone blossom in real Grow a Garden. I'm just joking, guys. I don't have it. Please don't be angry. Let's go. But I'm gonna open some seed packs for. I don't know if I have to record this video, but please oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh, there's no hair. Just get the droid. I'm just forgetting it. Wow, super seed. Yeah, bro, I don't need this. This is all done. So, did they get karma? Okay. Maybe they just get karma. So, when I scroll, tahimik lang ako dun. Sila nagnog-nog. You're dun. I want to. You knew. Liha. And they keep saying, I don't know, in real Grow a Garden, I have quad. I reported it. Noob, bot, noob, you. And I get hashtag, I don't know why, and he says, you. I'm pro in real Grow a Garden, haha. And that's rude, guys. How raccoon, yeah. Fake. In real Grow a Garden, and that is true, guys. I'm a retort, you get karma for toxic player. You toxic, nah, you. Guys, you literally know who started the chat. Noob, learn Sabi learn some English, but they did say in the chat right now. Yeah, honestly, I'll be on my mistake. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna post this really, bro. Yeah. Keep flexing your burning bud. Keep flexing your burning bud until you get banned, bro. Nah, bro, that's not true, bro. Is he recording, bro? Are they YouTubers, bro? Are they not? I think they're not. See, he spawned a noob. Yeah, they want to. Bro, I'm autocorrecting. Bro, why they keep toxic me, bro? I didn't record this for nothing. Serious, bro. Keep flexing, bro. Keep flexing. Yeah, that's freaking it. They're all cooked. But I'm gonna do. I'm gonna post this on YouTube and see so many views. But before that, itry ko nang makakuha ng elephant ears. Grabe, nakakuha ang divine na Rosy Delight. Let's go. My gosh. Why they keep getting toxic, bro? Not gonna lie. They're really getting so toxic until they keep... Oh, I almost get the Rosy Delight. My goal is to get the elephant ears to prismatic. I don't know, I have to record this. My gosh, I got the another Rosy Delight. Let's go. Bro, keep giving me some goods. Not bad, bro. Let me just gamble. Spin this summer seed back and just put the version but give me a prismatic elephant ears. Put the version back and give me elephant ears. The version back and give me elephant ears, bro. I don't know. Yan, lucky yata ako nito. Yeah. I almost get Rosy Delight again. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think they don't have... Oh my gosh, muntik na! Doon na nga yung elephant ears. Hindi mo pa bigyan ng elephant ears roses. Para mythical na kukuha ko. Focus lang tayo dito sa mga toxic players, pre. So, where is their bone blossom? Hindi pa nila nipilihan. I don't know. Di ba sila nalalaro ng Chroma Garden? Pre, hindi mo ka pa nakakaplan na candy blossom. Tingnan mo to, oh. Finish ko na lang ito. Yan, lucky yan ito, eh. Grabe, puro parasol flower. Just give me elephant ears, please. But I don't care if I get elephant ears, bro. This is really modded. I'm just want to leave. Nice. How good. I almost get the Rosy Delights. The flower seed back. Now give me sunflower, bro. Give me sunflower. Sunflower, give me sunflower. Sunflower, give me sunflower, bro. Before that, i-plant ko nga itong Deflium seed. I don't know. Let's just plant pink lily again. Don't know. Bakit? Like binabully, pre. I don't know. Just toxic. I'm just gonna... don't know. Rare egg in stock. Hanggang kill ko lang eh. I don't know why they keep getting toxic, bro. I cannot believe I found toxic players in this mode, bro. They keep... I don't know. You know. So yeah. Hi. Yeah. That's okay. Yeah. Sorry for getting quiet, bro. But that's it. Bye bye.